Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. As you can see, we are going to use this green color of nylon thread and we are making a keychain here. Fold the nylon thread and put it at the hole of the key. Now we are going to tie a knot. We are also creating a beautiful design as you can see. So this is a very easy method. As you can see, we are going to fold a thread and tie a knot. After this, we are going to hold it from the top. Look like this. Put both the ends and then pull it together. Look how we are doing here. Now we are going to repeat the same process from other side as well, and look, it's ready. This way you can pull it together and it's very easy to tie and untie it. As you can see, we're going to tie a knot at the top. Now we're going to make 4 loops and hold it together at the center, and using one end we're going to remove it from the center part and then from the corners. Now we're going to repeat the same process from other end as well. Look, we're going to remove it from those 2 holes, then tie a knot at the center part. Finally, we're going to pull it from both the sides, then we're going to adjust it. Look how we are doing here. Pull it from both the ends and look, it's ready. We are going to pull the top knot and we are going to bring it at the center part along with the 2 holes, and look, it's ready. Your designs are done. Here we're going to fold the nylon thread and put it on the key, then make 2 loops, and then we are going to take both the ends and remove it from the center part and then from the alternate hole as well. You will get this design. After this, we are going to put it at the center. We are going to make a circle knot. So as you can see, we are going to pull it from all its corners, hold both of them together and start pulling it and tight it. And look, your beautiful ball shape is ready, and you can cut the rest portion. We are going to tie a knot at the top. Now take both the ends and roll it over and over again and remove it from the center part. Again, we are going to use the second end as well, and look, your design is ready. As you can see, in the beginning we are going to tie the thread around the ring and take it out from the middle part, pull it upwards, and your design is ready. After that, we will hold the upper part and rotate it. We are going to tie a knot and repeat the same process from other side as well. What will happen is that we can easily tighten and loosen this thread. You can wear it around your neck and easily loosen tight this thread by pulling it, and fix both parts using this lighter, and see, your beautiful design is ready. So have fun and try it at your home as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.